and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1965 Chevrolet Impala. This is a real 166 code super sport car, guys. Nice car, older restoration. A buddy of ours out of Virginia is the one who actually found this car for us. He's known this car, he said, for 10 years. Said the car was probably restored around 12 years ago. He said one thing about the car, though, the guy drove it everywhere. He said this thing runs and drives excellent. I love 65s, and I love them because they're right there. I think that's the coolest taillight going. Love the color combination on this. It's Madeira maroon. It's got the black vinyl interior in it. Matter of fact, the interior, I believe a lot of the interior is actually original on this car. You can see it's got Cragar SS's all the way around it. Kind of that, it's got a little rake to it. Kind of that old school Woodward Avenue feel. Neat car. Again, real super sport. He's upgraded some stuff on it, disc brakes. It's got 350 turbohydramatic trans in it. I have to check that hood. I bet you we can adjust that a little bit. It looks, yeah, I think that the little bumpers have probably come out of adjustment on there. But cool car, again, Virginia car, good solid straight body. Yes, there's some little touch-up marks and things you can nitpick on the car, but a pretty doggone cool car. Yeah, this side will come up and that other side. We can check into that. Factory three-piece bumpers. Again, you can see some little blemishes as you walk around the car. Definitely seen some touch-up marks. The wipers, I will tell you, when I went through this car, the wipers kind of work sporadically. I think it's in the switch. And again, you know, people don't believe this, but man, these old cars, people don't use the wipers a lot. So, you know, you can, you know, sometimes you got to just use stuff to get it to work. Oh, one thing I will tell you, this car, I believe it has all the original soft ray glass except for the front windshield. So there's a couple little marks as you walk through it. This is the factory rear glass. You can see a couple little scratch marks in there. It's got an aftermarket radio. Pretty car. I wish we had some sunshine on it. And a couple little marks. I noticed a little touch-up mark there. This is a, I don't think this is the original color. I have to check into that, but I know it's original 65 color. But, so you can get touch-up for this car very easily. Again, rear three-piece rear bumper, that's factory. I love those taillights right there, man. I think that's the coolest looking taillight. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Again, the chrome is nice. That's a good looking car. I like the Cragars. 255 60s on the rear, so it's got some meats on the rear. Again, they've upgraded at the front disc brakes. Dual chrome mirrors. It's not a matching numbers car. This is a, matter of fact, I think it's a 68, 69 block. 396, 3 1/4 horse. You can see it's got the dual feed 4-barrel on it. Edelbrock Performer intake. It's got a set of hooker ceramic headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, and they also put the vacuum canister on it. Aluminum radiator with a shroud. Chrome air cleaner, HEI distributor. It is a 350 trans, so it's got the 3-speed. These cars, of course, factory were power glides. Matter of fact, they ordered the 3-speed indicator for the center console. and they sent him the wrong one. They sent the overdrive one, so I've ordered the correct one for it. Yes, I know it looks funny. There's snow in the background. Welcome to spring in Michigan. It was 60 degrees 2 days ago, and we got hit with snow. Snow coming tomorrow. That's spring here in Michigan for you. A-pillar chrome's pretty nice. Again, dual chrome mirrors, got the little Chevrolet bow tie on it. Stainless is nice. Those are definitely new door handles. Door skins are clean. I think this is the original. So the car's only got 76,000 miles on it. I think this is the original interior, guys. Those are definitely new sill plates. And they may have replaced, yeah, you can see where they have actually replaced the carpet, but I believe this stuff here is original. This seat here could definitely use a refoam. Don from DNA Interiors is who normally I would have come take a look at that. Unfortunately, he's out of town right now, so remind me of that, and that's definitely something that I'll have done. Bucket seats console. It's got the factory gauge package padded dash. That was an option. 76,264 on your odometer. It's got an aftermarket Retrosounds radio. It's got a vacuum manifold gauge. Clock works. Couple little things you can nitpick. A few little marks in that plastic there. I think you can buy that. H-pipe dual exhaust. 12-bolt 342 rear end. Look how clean these corners are. They did something nice in here. It's not original. They painted the trunk body color. Of course, these cars would have been spackle paint from the factory. Jack with spares in there. But yeah, they actually painted this body color. Again, from the factory, it would have been spackle paint, guys. But I'm not mad at it. It's not like it doesn't look, I mean, it looks good. Underneath, pretty, you know, I can't say it's all shiny or anything like that, you know. Nice, clean, but it's not like it was a rotisserie restoration. Good sounding exhaust. Good looking car, man. Again, about the, you know, a couple little things you can pick in the interior, like say that seat I would definitely do, but look how nice that seat is, which tells me that was, you know, guy's probably a big guy, or like I say, it's original. Clock works. Again, they got the wrong gear selector, so I've ordered the right one. It'll have the 3-speed, but factory these cars were actually Power Glide transmissions, but they've upgraded to a 350 turbohydramatic. Little nitpick there if you want on a, here, just a little cam to it, nothing crazy. Oh, runs out, drives good. One thing Rob said is, he told my buddy Scott, this guy drove this car everywhere, man. Good sound. Yeah, we definitely, I think, can adjust that hood a little bit. Gauges are all functional. Car sounds good. Here the choke works. Vacuum manifold gauge works. Yep, there it goes. I know it works. Blower motor works. Yeah, doors open and close nice. Try when you turn it to push it in, see what it does. Nah, we'll check it. I think that's in the switch, guys. And again, a lot of times that's just from lack of use. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page, guys. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep in touch with me.